On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2019 Forest River Sierra 382 View. This amazing and luxurious fifth wheel brings you the very best in modern exterior and interior design. There's an abundant amount of living space featuring a cozy dinette and comfortable couch seating. The intricately detailed slide-out fascia and cabinets complement the electric fireplace and is a great focal point for the living area. Enjoy the comfort of home with an entertaining area featuring a large LED TV with built-in premium soundbar. The large kitchen island with stylish undermount sink and high-rise faucet with pull-out sprayer will make it easy to prepare meals big enough to feed everyone. Along with all this living space, this floor plan gives you a grand bunk room with fold-flat couch seating and more storage room than average. Next to the bunk room there's a half bathroom with a second exterior access door for easy use. Also featured is this exterior kitchen area with a swing-around grill for all your outdoor entertaining needs. With 5 total slide-outs, there is lots of room, giving this unit its ability to sleep your whole family comfortably. Stacked washer and dryer in the entry area is easily accessible. One-touch control allows you to do everything from a single access point. You will be impressed by the private master bedroom in the front. It houses 2 of those slides, making room for a large sofa, which is a unique feature in this fifth wheel. Beautiful oversized bathroom with walk-in shower. This floor plan has all the amenities built in. Anyone looking for sleeping space without sacrificing living space should look at this gem. This Sierra fifth wheel is an outstanding unit that boasts exceptional design, will make it easy for you and your family to go out and make lasting memories. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.